My Solenoid Plus Sound Board has an option where you can get this Chime Disconnect Board. It allows you to disconnect the chimes and run your own chimes off of the WAV files. This board plugs into the J2 connector, and you can move the jumpers back and forth to turn off the different chimes. To find out which momentary solenoids your chimes are connected to, open up my manual and find your game, such as Evel Knievel here. The 10-point chime is on momentary 1. The 100-point chime is on 2, 3, and 4 are the momentary solenoids you'd want to turn off if you want to disable the chimes. It's pretty easy to install. Just remove the J2 connector, plug in the Chime Disconnect Board, and plug back in your connector.